Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Over the past few weeks, we have been working pretty hard on something we are really exciting to share. And this is Prisma Skills. So today, I'm going to show you what Prisma Skills are, how they work, and of course, how you can get started with them within a few seconds locally. But first of all, what are Prisma Skills? So as you can see on my screen, we have already a few skills available for you to try. They are basically reusable capabilities to help you ship faster. And instead of basically trying to reinvent the wheel all the time, you can use this production-ready functionality and then focus just only on what matters, which is building your product. Let's jump already in a quick demo. So for this demo, I'm going to choose this one, which is the Prisma Postgres skills. Okay, you can take a look here. We have a few information. You are going to click here, which is going to copy paste the skills itself. So copy paste that. For this demo, I have a blank Node.js application, but you can use any project. Okay, so let's jump into the code. I'm going to show you this is really like a very simple template, but we are going to create from scratch in that application a complete Postgres setup. Okay, using the skills. So let's remove that. And let's jump into the code. For this, you're going to open a terminal and you're going to have to actually open a new one and install the skills. Okay, let's install it. You're going to have a few things to tick. This is already coming with a few agents. As you can see, we are using cursor, so we are fine. But if you are using, for example, Cloud Code, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to show you what it is after that. You can select Cloud Code. Let's move on to the next step. And installation scope, you can choose to install this in that project or globally. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose only the project, okay? And symlink, yes. This is installing, okay. And now let's take a look at the actual agent folder and skill. So this is what was installed. This is a really long documentation that the agent will be able to follow to be sure we are doing the setup correctly, okay? Let's open the AI chat. We can remove that panel. And we are just going to use AI to actually create that Postgres setup. So using this prompt, use Prisma Skill to update our Next.js application, the skills that we just downloaded. Use Prisma ORM and create Prisma Postgres, the database. Let's run that. I'm going to choose GPT 5.3 codex. You can choose Opus, whatever you want, okay? And I'm going to let him work on the actual setup. We are going to take a look, of course, at the end at all of the files that will be added. And we are going to check, of course, if everything is working properly. And if we are happy with the result, if everything is working locally, we will just ask him maybe to add a few fake data to check if everything is working also on this side. We can see that this is installing Prisma client. The command create DB latest was done already. I can see a few files already added on the left. Okay, so he is done. So let's take a quick look, first of all, at the app if we have any issue. Okay, so as you can see, we have a nice, very simple, but as you can see, we are going to be able to fetch some data. I'm going to ask him to add some data in the database just after this screen. And let's see if everything is working then. So what do we have? We have the Prisma migration, Prisma schema, that looks good. We have the Prisma config file. Yep, that looks good also. We should have also a few things updated here. Yeah. This is exactly why we see actually this page. But let's have some fun and let's ask him to actually add some data. Okay, just going to remove this. So add some data in the database so we can have some data to show in there. Should be able to basically add a few things in the database, and this is going to fetch all of the things that are in our database. So at the end, we have a complete setup. So this is done. Okay, so we should have, like he's saying to me, welcome to Prisma Postgres. So 3 posts. Okay, so let's take a look at the app. Let's refresh. Oh, I don't even need to refresh the app. Okay, so as you can see, using that skill, we can have the Postgres setup very quickly and very easily. I would recommend to actually take a look at all our skills. Okay, so we have the Prisma database setup. So this is, if we are using a different database, you can use this one to actually work pretty fast. We have the CLI, we have the client API, we have the upgrade to V7, which is cool if you have like a V6 application and you want to move to V7. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know in the comments if you like those skills, if you are using them already, okay? If you have any tips for improvement, we are really happy to actually upgrade all the time our documentation and our skills. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and we have a very active Discord channel. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description of the video. It was Arthur. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.